Hi guys!
Hi!
This is a good one.
So I come from a Malay family. Then my auntie will sit down with me and she'll be like, Bila nak pergi Suria? And I'm just like, eh?
Sometimes I go overseas and then they'll ask you, oh, what sort of school are you in? I'm like, oh, I'm in an art school. And then they're like, oh, so that means your academics must be really bad. I'm like,
So usually they will always say, oh, so you only study arts? So it gets, it gets us.
That one gets me.
So there's this article from the Straits Times about
parents concerned about the career prospects of the kids studying in school of the arts.
Okay, so this girl from the internet says,
No offense, but most of the students studying art in SG cannot compete with the foreign talent outside of SG, so they can only work locally on a very, very small stage. SG is famous for its good education and not arts for a reason, which is why only a few out of a batch of a few hundred is reported.
I like the fact that it has no likes.
I mean, you gotta start from somewhere.
yeah.
Yeah, so start from your homegrown Singapore and you can just reach out, you know?
I don't think this is true.
I would agree that the art scene isn't very big, but it's not extremely small.
There are quite a few of the pioneer batch
Yeah.
students who
Yeah.
are actually
Yeah.
performing in the Esplanade. It's
It's
just,
a very big stage.
and there's a lot of representation overseas as well.
Next one. Oh, so this article basically says like,
Most SOTA students aren't pursuing their art careers.
And this person said, good for her, because she realized all this dancing going on. Better go Oxford, then come back. Become Joy Gowan.
what is going on?
Become MP or something.
I feel so horrible for laughing.
But you see, there are many famous rich dancers.
These people, they're dancing for themselves.
SOTA gives you a lot of options, like genuinely.
It really broadens your
Yeah.
opportunities.
Arts is more just than the art form itself. It's actually the mindset.
Yeah, I'll read the next one. Don't pecah lobang lah.
This is how SOTA almost failed students to get into public uni, just select E-course with lowest cutoff and later shift course after.
This person is saying that SOTA is a way for you to just get into VIB and then after then you can get into a better uni.
SOTA is not an easy way out because on top of being good at your academics, you also have to be good at your art form. Do you think people know that there's actually a really tight process to get to SOTA? They only select people who are actually passionate for an art form.
I know a bunch of people who have amazing grades, A's for everything.
I guess they're really stuck on this mindset that arts must only be arts and academics must only be academics. They cannot be an in-between.
We are the
We are the in-between.
We got a song.
SOTA is not just an art school.
We do academics too.
So if you like this video, you want to find out more about studying art in Singapore as well as studying in SOTA, you can visit SOTA's open house happening on the 7th of April, Saturday from 9 AM to 4 PM. Bye!